Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 1st, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold is definitely, pound dollar is definitely making a run for it. We did break the 61.8 fib level. And the next resistance for me is actually the 78.6, right around the 1.2705 area. Looks to me like there's a pretty good chance it's going to at least go down and hit that 78%. We do have non-farm payroll tomorrow. That's a pretty big news event for the dollar. If it does break structure to the upside tomorrow at the news, then I'll stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs. But as of right now, I'm definitely still looking for shorts at the end of all pullbacks I see on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.